2019 Mercedes-Benz E450 4Matic Wagon. Going on sale during the fall of 2018, the 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class sedan and wagon add a handful of features for the new model year, including a new E450 model. For 2019, the E-Class receives a variety of new enhanced safety systems, such as an intelligent cruise control function, which utilizes map and navigation systems for safer travels. A new, standard 3-spoke Nappa leather multifunction steering wheel allows drivers to operate safety assist systems without removing their hands from the wheel, while additional features are available as options. Serving as a replacement for the E400 model, the 2019 Mercedes-Benz E450 uses a twin-turbocharged, 3.0-liter V6 engine. The new power plant generates 362 horsepower and 369 pounds-foot of torque, improvements of 30 horsepower and 15 pounds-foot of torque over its predecessor. Sedan and wagon E450 models will feature Mercedes-Benz E450 4Matic all-wheel drive (AWD) system as standard equipment.